So hi and welcome to another video and another mouse, and we've got the Vaxee XE here. So we're going to be taking a look at this, give me my first impressions. Did this while I was streaming on Twitch. If you want to check out these things early on, go check me out on Twitch, Bearded Bob. But just basically give you a quick idea of what I think of it straight off the bat. So let's get into it. Like, the Vaxee stuff's always good quality, right? So I'm expecting a good quality mouse. I just think it disappoints me a bit like, it's a bit like Xiaomi releasing their mouse and hyping up power cord. We need them to be wireless, not wired. So it already puts me on a back foot. Let's check it out. It's a pink one. So. Everyone's releasing pink mice at the minute as well. Can we have some other colours, please? At least they've released an orange one, which I think is a favourite colour in here. It's like a baby pink. Okay. Let's give you a comparison next to a Superlight. There you go. Check out the pinks. So quite a light pink. Detachable cable, so that's what it weighs. 67 grams. What do they reckon it's supposed to weigh? Is that right? I can't remember. I think it sounds right. It's not the best encoder on that Superlight, I don't know why. Not bad. I kind of get why they put these little forks on them, but it'd be nice if it was wireless. Scroll wheel is the same rubber as all the other Vaxee ones, but a different encoder in it, which is better than finding a listing on that front. DPI is quite nice at the back. Nice low profile. Side buttons feel good. Feel a little bit quite as tight as the MPO1, I wouldn't say, but they're not as nice as the Pulsar. Pulsar's got nicer ones. Not bad. But the mains look a little bit too much premium for me. So what they have changed is made the shell a bit like that. See what I did like the MPO1, didn't they? But it's got a bit flappy. Does it overhang a little bit? It's a bit weird. That's a bad thing or not? Like his little teeth are sticking out the front. But the buttons aren't as nice, I would say, as like the MPO1 they've got. That's like weird. They don't seem as stable, these buttons, on this version. Is what Vaxee's done before. The shape's quite nice. 18x9. I like the skates. Even though they've got a big front skate, they have tried to round them off. These look nice as skates, to be fair, so good job on the skates. Overall, not bad there. The mains feel a little bit spongy, I think. Don't know why. It's probably those buttons. Because I think they've got a decent switch. These are, I'm presuming they're using the Harano pink dot in this, like they have done for all their other stuff. I mean, overall it's okay. Coating's alright. I have nothing else to say about it really. A little bit of comfort groove. But that's about it. It doesn't exactly excite me, that's all. Hey, and the cable's a bit stiff. Especially for today's world. So if you're going to make it wireless, at least give you a decent cable. You're looking at it, it's got like a set of like shark teeth or whale teeth, you see them? And I'm assuming it's to stop post-travel, right? So you got the pre, and then there's a switch, and then you still got a lot of post there. Like, it looks like they're trying to stop the post, but this left one's the worst for pre. It's got a lot of pre-travel. Still got a lot of post. Don't know. That's all I can think of. Dimensions-wise, it looks a bit longer than this Pulsar. Let's measure it. Come on, Cam. I don't see why you'd buy it over Xiaomi. Maybe some better side buttons. Maybe the scroll wheel's not as rough, which is how we do have, but do you know what I mean? That's where we're kind of at. Quite narrow buttons as well. So I think they're pretty standard dimensions. Nothing seems like the ordinary, just slightly narrow buttons, but don't know, anyone else reckon anything there? Take it to bits, see what they've done. Same size throughout. You have to let me know in the comment if people want me to do some mods to it. I'm not going to mod it tonight because I haven't got time, but